आओ भाई आपका कुछ कितना
आप तो करने तो दो ना, तो जाने तो दो। हेलो ना, ओके फाइन। ओह गॉड ब्रो। हाय आई एम दिबारती एंड आई एम हियर एट ओपन हाउस स्टूडियो। ये एक प्रोडक्शन हाउस है जहां बड़े बड़े ड्रीम्स रियलिटी में चेंज होते हैं। एंड गेस व्हाट, हम ढूंढ रहे हैं उन इनक्रेडिबल सिंगर्स को जो बिग स्टेज में आके शाइन करना चाहता है। सो अगर आपके पास हो वो पैशन, फायर, जुनून, ग्रिट एंड वॉइस, देन डोंट वरी, वी हैव योर बैक। ये बन सकता है आपका मोमेंट। सो नाउ कम ऑन, आई विल शो यू द एंटायर टीम जो आपको ढूंढ रहे हैं टू मेक यू नेक्स्ट बिग स्टार। कम विथ मी, फॉलो मी। Wait, while they are searching for you, मैं जा रही हूँ Bangalore Street talent ढूंढने. Come and follow me. So now I'm out there and I'm finding my next superstar. ये बैंगलोर की जो सड़कें है ना, कुछ अलग ही है, इनका हवा ही कुछ अलग है। पूरे वर्ल्ड से लोग आते हैं अपना पैशन, अपना ड्रीम्स फॉलो करने के लिए, एंड ऑनेस्टली टू मेक अ वे ऑफ लिविंग। एंड आई बेट आई विल फाइंड माय नेक्स्ट सुपरस्टार हियर ओनली। माय फर्स्ट स्टॉप इज Rameshwaran Cafe. I bet I don't have to tell you. It's a world-class food, bro. And I guess I'm gonna find some world-class people as well. I'm super excited and I might find you as well singing there. Let's go. So I am here at Rameshwaram Cafe. And everyone in Bangalore, and not even Bangalore, outside Bangalore, हर जगह लोगों को पता है कि इसका फूड कितना अच्छा होता है। Even people from Mars also know कि रामेश्वर का फूड सबसे बेस्ट होता है।
ये क्या बात करता है यार।
So let's just see if we are gonna find our next superstar. But before that मुझे थोड़ा पेट पूजा भी करना है because I don't think so I can miss out this amazing food. मैं लोगों को मुझे देख रहे हैं वो खा रहे हैं तो मुझे भी थोड़ा खाना है and मुझे ऑलरेडी भूख लग चुका है, तो पहले हम लोग खा लेते हैं, उसके बाद हम अपना स्टार खोजेंगे, ठीक है।
हाँ ये कर लो पहले।
But anyway, बहुत हो गया खाना and refresh होना. Now we will go and find our superstar. Let me search a bit. सब लोग बहुत chill कर रहे हैं, तो मगर थोड़ा तो disturb करना पड़ेगा ही नहीं, because we are trying to find the next big face and we are trying to give them the big face. So let's go.
What?
$2,000 years later.
Hi, can I talk to you for a bit? Yes. I personally really love your outfit. It's very blue. Everything is coded. Love the bindi. Gives the proper finish.
नहीं झूठ बोल रहा है।
Okay, so हम लोग हैं ओपन स्टूडियो से, ओपन हाउस स्टूडियो, and we are searching for our next big face, ठीक है? तो can you sing? Yeah, I can.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो।
You can. Great. So, what is your favorite genre? Like, आपको क्या पसंद है?
So I'm into K-pop and English music.
Oh, K-pop sounds so fancy. So, would you like to sing for us?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. And would you like to be our next big star?
I'd love to.
Great. So, let's go.
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. You don't have to change a thing. The world could change its heart. Those scars say you're beautiful. The stars and they're beautiful.
so amazing, and honestly, this is exactly apt for you. Like, no stars, like what it was like.
No stars too.
Exactly. So it's exactly what you are, and it's so relevant.
अरे वाह ये फटाकड़ी कौन है
I love the song obviously, and I feel you are exactly what we want. आपको कुछ instrument music कुछ नहीं लगा, and also but you are so perfect. We would definitely want you to be our next phase and sign you. So I'll come back to you. I'll show you the procedure and everything. Let's talk after that. But before that, let me also run again because I need to find our next stars as well. Okay. She was so mesmerizing, honestly. Like, I felt so calm and peaceful after hearing her. But now we cannot waste more time. We have to find our next talent as well. Come. I bet I'm gonna find it here. There are so many people here. उधर चलते हैं. Where people are actually eating food. थोड़ा उधर भी डिस्टर्ब कर लेंगे हम लोगों को. पर खाने के साथ थोड़ा गाना तो चलता है ना.
2,000 years later.
I love Bangalore weather. It's so beautiful. I'm wearing this heavy lehenga, but I'm not even feeling little bit of warmth. Like I don't even feel hot here because the Bangalore weather is so beautiful.
One eternity later.
Beautiful and peaceful. So which are the people to stand for? Oh, I love the clothes of these two girls. And
झूठ पे झूठ बोलती जा रही है, शर्म नहीं आती?
I'm gonna go over there first. Hi. I really like your top. This looks beautiful. The pearls are like really adding it up, and you have a beautiful smile. I hope people told you this. But I'm not the first one. So my name is Bharati, and firstly I want to ask you the question: can you sing?
I can. I'm not really that professional or like not a singer, but I can.
We are not looking for professionals. We are not looking for singers. We are looking for people like you with talent who can be the face of our studio. So we want to give you the chance. Would you mind to sing for us? I know we are asking a lot from you, but little bit.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Thank you. So what's your genre?
लेकिन ये साला कर क्या रहा है यहाँ पे?
What do I say? Like, you want me to say the
Yeah, what you like? You just need to tell me like what's the kind of music you like or anything. Bollywood,
I like-
South Indian, whatever.
like
Malayali.
soft Hindi songs?
Soft Hindi songs like. So do you want to go for? Do you want to go for the songs which we currently hear right now?
Soft.
Soft ones? Let's go. So are you ready? Yes. No pressure. Be yourself. That's all we want.
Okay.
Thank you. That's it.
Okay. This is not. जाने कैसी बानी तूने अखियों के डोर मन मेरा खींचा चला आया तेरी ओर मेरे चेहरे की सुबह जुल्फ की शाम मेरा संग तुझे पिया से तेरे नाम नजरों ने तेरी छुआ तो ही जादू हुआ होने लगी हूँ मैं हंसी आफरी 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 थैंक यू
I think so you liked me. You sound exactly better than a professional singer right now. Like I am not just saying it for the video or vlog. You really sound so nice, and we would definitely want to come back to you and like talk to you about our studio so that you can be a part of our journey and we can be a part of your journey as well. Yes. And I hope you're gonna find more opportunities and please carry forward and do whatever you are doing. Please do it in a bigger platform.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
I guess we found some beautiful singer, all the lovely women out there. But मुझे तो अभी थोड़ा सा, I guess I want some guys as well. Can't only be all girls, right? Even though I love women, but let me just find some men as well. But मुझे समझ में नहीं आया मुझे अभी तक कोई reject क्यों नहीं कर रहा है? Like I bet there will be some people who are going to be like, I don't want to talk to you. But for now, let me just find someone else. कहाँ जाए? I think so already. मैं उधर जा चुकी तो this guy is just sitting and scrolling. I guess I'm gonna disturb him a bit. Hi. Hi.
अबे कौन है बे तू?
So sorry for disturbing. I think you are doing something. Can I get your time? I hope you're not working on Saturday. I hope.
Yeah.
Thank you. So I am Devarati and we are looking for our next big singer. So firstly, can you sing?
Yeah, of course a little bit.
Oh, great. I feel that's all we need. And what's your favorite genre? What kind of music do you like?
Kind of romantic songs.
Okay.
Yeah. राजा जी.
Okay. So आप एक काम करो. You take this bike and would you like to sing for us? कुछ भी जो आपको पसंद आए so that we can find you and put out there to the world and find you, like we want to give you the big stage. So yeah.
So मेरा एक favorite गाना है.
Okay.
जब भी मैं.
Perfect. Can I guess?
Yeah, make it.
That one, right? The romantic one. Okay, let's go.
तुमसे ही दिन होता है, सुरमई शाम आती है, तुमसे ही हर घड़ी सांस आती है, जिंदगी कहलाती है, तुमसे ही ना है ये पाना, ना होना ही है, तेरा ना होना जाने क्यों होना ही है. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You made my day. I felt like a singer right now. I hope you're gonna sign me too as well after this, please.
नहीं.
So we will get back to you and definitely we would love to be a part of our talent. Let's see what we can do from here. Thank you so much for your time. Please go back to your work. Bye. Thank you. ठीक है चलो आई थिंक so हमको मिल गए बहुत सारे अमेजिंग सिंगर्स. नाउ we'll go for the next location and again the weather is so beautiful. It's so like perfect. I can see spring is coming. There's cherry blossom there. अब तो मुझे जाना पड़ेगा मे बी सेंट्रल पार्क में अभी जाऊंगी. अभी देखते मैं उधर आई माइट फाइंड माय नेक्स्ट सुपरस्टार एज वेल. सो कम फॉलो मी.